While it is Devendra Fadnavis who is all poised to reclaim the top position in the state of Maharashtra, the BJP's official announcement is still pending. On the other hand, Eknath Shinde is also changing stance, and the ongoing discussions over the cabinet portfolio is only adding to the suspense. The key leaders will be meeting in Mumbai. They have already had a very crucial meeting in the national capital. Will it be Devendra Fadnavis who will return to power, or will it be Eknath Shinde who will have the last word? That's the big question.
The Maha rumblings continue in Maharashtra as the decision on the next chief minister hangs in balance. While the decks appear to have been cleared for Devendra Fadnavis to reclaim the top post, the BJP High Command is yet to make an official announcement. On Friday, a meeting of the Mahayuti leaders in Mumbai expected to discuss portfolios was abruptly called off after Chief Minister Eknath Shinde left for his village in Satara. Sources have confirmed Shinde has been informed about Fadnavis taking the Chief Minister's chair. Initially opposed to taking on the Deputy Chief Minister's role, sources say Eknath Shinde has now softened his stance but is demanding the Home Ministry for himself.
प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन माझी भूमिका स्पष्ट केलेली आहे की आता कुठलाही अडथळा महायुतीचा मुख्यमंत्री होण्यामध्ये नाही आहे. लाडकी बहीण लाडक्या बहिणीच्या बद्दलही माझी बोललोय मी. त्यामुळे
दिल्लीत दाखल झाले
लाडका भाऊ दिल्लीत दाखल झालेला आहे आणि लाडका भाऊ ही ओळख माझी सगळ्या पदांपेक्षा मोठी आहे. त्यामुळे
However, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Shirshat hinted that another leader could step in if Shinde declines the Deputy Chief Minister's role.
मुझे लगता है कि एकनाथ शिंदे साहब महाराष्ट्र की ही राजनीति में रहेंगे और लगता है कि डिप्टी सीएम पद वो ना ले. ये बहुत बड़ी बात हो सकती है. वो डिप्टी सीएम पद लेंगे नहीं, ऐसा मेरा अंदाजा है.
Mahayuti leaders including Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi late Thursday night. Sources said the discussion centered on cabinet berth allocation, with the BJP pushing for 20 ministries. Another meeting is expected in Mumbai to finalize the chief ministerial phase, with the oath-taking ceremony likely either on the 2nd or the 5th of December.
काही चर्चेला काही तथ्य नाहीये. आम्ही सगळ्यांनी पहिल्यांदा ठरवलं होतं की कुठल्याही परिस्थितीमध्ये भाजप, शिवसेना, राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस, आरपी आठवले आणि इतर सगळे आमचे घटक पक्ष आहेत, त्या सगळ्यांच्या बरोबर आपण जास्तीत जास्त जागा निवडून आणायच्या आणि पुन्हा एकदा या राज्यामध्ये महायुतीचं सरकार आणायचं हे आमचं पहिलं टार्गेट होतं.
With the announcement still awaited, last-minute twists cannot be ruled out. Who will ultimately wear the crown of Maharashtra remains the big question. Bureau Report, India Today.